Hello friends, welcome back to 70 by 70. Today shall we get onto our time machine and go back to Singapore to a different place? Let's go to Jurung Bird Park in Singapore, a park dedicated to the preservation of birds. But I have a twist at the end of the video. This will really surprise you. First, let me take you to a bird show. While you are sitting and enjoying this bird show, let me give you a basic detail of what it was 35 years back and what it could be now. Spreading over 20 hectares in the western part of Singapore, Jurung Bird Park is Asia's largest bird garden. This bird park in Singapore was the brainchild of Dr. Goh Keng Swee, the finance minister of Singapore at the time. After visiting Rio de Janeiro and Bangkok, he felt that they needed such a kind of a park in Singapore. So they planned that this park would consist of large aviaries that resemble the natural habitats of the various type of birds. Nurseries, breeding rooms and quarantine stations would also be part of this bird park. And they also wanted to have a tram service which would ferry visitors between the aviaries and other amenities. The bird park was officially opened on the 3rd of January 1971. In the mid 80s, Jurong Bird Park underwent a major renovation and upgrading works that spanned over 7 years, and it cost $7 million. Covered walkways, automated ticket machines, and all air conditioned theaters were built. This is where we are seeing now. See how fun the show is? The presenter is really comfortable. He talks like the person you see in shows who talks to the puppet in his hand. He talks to the parrot. He enjoys what he's doing, and it was a very, very enjoyable show for all of us. Now is the time for the bird of prey. Can you see the hawk? It's going to fly down to the podium to sit on that presenter's hand. This was 35 years back, but can we get back into the time machine and see what it's going to be now? This is what you'll be seeing. Having enjoyed the show, we started walking towards the other attractions in the park. While you enjoy with us what we saw 30 years back, let me tell you what you can see now. You can see toucans and hornbills. You can see the birds of prey, the falcons. You can even go to the lorry loft and see the lorries and feed them. You can go to the waterfall aviary to see the feel of the rainforest. You can go to the parrot paradise where you'll see the maximum number of parrots. Then you can head towards the flamingo pool. You can see the flamingos and penguins. See what all we missed in the 80s. Now let's come to the twist. Take a deep breath and hold your heart. If you go today, you won't be able to see any of these things. Yes, the park was closed on the 3rd of January this year. Oh, don't worry, all is not lost. After 52 years in that old location, the Jurung Bird Park is going to get a rebirth as bird paradise on the 8th of May this year. The new location is going to be Mandi Wildlife Reserve. I understand it's going to be a totally different experiences as they have planned it in a very nice way with new attractions, new facilities for travelers like us. Did you enjoy the time travel with me to Singapore? If so, why don't you just subscribe to my channel, like it and share it so that I can share my other experiences with you. You can board my time machine next week to go and see another place in Singapore. Thanks for watching.